Hi everyone, my name is Abhay Singh and I'm from Mumbai, Vasai, and this is my project called Pet Finder. So let's get started with what is Pet Finder. Pet Finder is an online pet adoption platform where a user can list pet animals with their location, search and view the listed pets by breed, request to adopt those pets, and also favorite and like the pets so they can store those like pets on their profile itself. So the reason to choose this project was like it solves a realistic problem. Like there are many stray animals roaming and many almost cannot survive. And there on the other side there are also no lack of persons who love animals. So I had this idea of connecting such pet lovers and making a community in which they can help such pet animals to have a better home. So there was actually a lack of such platform, at least for our country. Features were practically attainable, and the overall idea was very interesting and fun to work on. So the technologies we used was Bootstrap and CSS for the entire UI of the application, Node.js for the runtime environment, and Express.js as a framework to work upon the Node.js, and MongoDB for storing all our collection of databases, and also Cloudinary for storing all our multimedia files like images, videos, etc. And finally, we used Heroku to deploy this project. And the future improvements, like some features my team wished we could have, was like login with social accounts, real-time notification on the website itself, a very intuitive search bar, and also a social sharing widget so they can share those pets on their social media account also. Thanks to all the contributors who helped made this project work. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you have to log in to access our website. If you don't have a login account, you can simply click on sign up and you'll be redirected to the sign up page. Since I already have a login ID, so let me just log in. And this is our landing page, like the home page. We have this search bar that we wish in the future we can improve, like like to make it work more intuitively. So on the home page, you will see the most recently updated pets with their age and breed, etc. So for at first we have dogs. So these are all the pet animals who are dogs with their name, their age, their color, their location, etc. And you can also like a certain pet and it will get stored in your profile. I will show you that in a second. And cats is same as well. So when you go to the user profile, you will see every pet which you have liked and also the pets you have added up for adoption on your end, right? And you can add pets by clicking on this button, add pet. You need to actually fill everything. So let's start with her name, which is, let's name our pet Yuki, and she is 2 months old. She is vaccinated. She is also trained to some extent, and she is a cat. And the breed is Bengal. and the location is Thane. The color is optional if you want to put or not. So let's insert our email ID and also our phone number. And you can also write a short description if you wish. This is optional by the way. Extremely cute and others excited. And let's choose an image for our pet. Okay. So let's go with this image. And our pet name is Yuki. So let's see. Have clicked on add pet, and she is actually uploaded. She is name is Yuki. She is of the breed Bengal. She is trained and vaccinated, and the location is Thane. Right. So we, this is how you upload a pet. And we also have a search function by breeds. If you go on search by dog breed, these are all the list of breeds of dogs. If I select Akita, you get some information of the dog breed itself. You can explore new breeds about their information and stuff like that. And you can also search pets by breed. If I select this and if I hit search, you will get every dog with the breed pug. So a cat breed works in a similar way. We, we are using the dogs and the cats API for all this information to pull all this information. And similarly, you can also explore new breeds of cats and view them accordingly. And also you can search for cat breeds by hitting on cats. See, and let's go to adopted, which is this shows every pet which have successfully been adopted. So if I go to its info, see you get a notification like this pet is already adopted by someone. So let's explore some dogs on our end and let's see this Save dog. And if I click on adopt, you'll get a prompt and the request is sent. So, so all the requests you have sent, you can actually view on the request tab. I mean, all the incoming requests, you can look here, right? So, thanks a lot for taking time to view my project and see you again.